Welcome back to another video, traders, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to Charting Trends for Trading Options. I'm TJ, I'll be your host. Today we're looking at Tesla. They're in the middle of a huge run after the announcement that they're going to be added to the S&P 500 index. Let's get into the chart. Here's the chart for Tesla. We're on the 4-hour 180-day chart. Going back here to the crash, Tesla briefly hit 70 before getting into this growth channel, and we've seen incredible steady growth since then. I'm sure everyone's familiar with Tesla. I mean, it's unbelievable, right? I mean, up to this all-time high, leading up to the 5-to-1 stock split that hit 541, and they had been on a long downtrend, really just sort of consolidating because, you know, they got up and above this incredible growth trend. You got to consolidate at some point. And they did that for a while, up until about November 13th, which is around the time we had the announcement that they're going to be officially added to the SPY index. And since then, we've had another huge jump off, similar to the one we had back with the split listing. After a brief period of consolidation, we've broken out and above new all-time highs, up almost to 600. Now let's get some perspective on this, because this is a, you know, right here, Tesla was worth roughly $300 billion. Massive market cap. You know, they're worth most of the, you know, they're worth more than GM and Honda combined at this point already. And then over the course of 2 weeks, they add 50% value, 200 points, $150 billion. So what did Tesla do to generate that kind of growth in value? Oh, they didn't do anything. They just got added to the index. So as usual, we're not really looking at real numbers here. We're just looking at the fantasy. So let's play the fantasy. Let's zoom in a little bit here. A couple things I want to mention along with the SPY listing is competitors have been popping off a lot lately too. You know, we've seen NEO. Everyone's seen NEO, XPV. You know, everybody except for Nikola, really, that has an electric car play, has seen massive growth in the past couple of months. Tesla was the outlier up until this recent jump off. But how far is it going to go? When is it going to pull back? Let's look at some levels here. So now we're on the 30-day, 30-minute chart. And for me, the levels that we're looking at here are this previous all-time high around 538. We also, the most recent price target issued for Tesla, which I think is incredibly bullish, it was 560. So somewhere in that range, I think, is your potential to the downside right now if we break this growth trend and we drop, which is about, all right. So from where we are right now, if we fall back into this previous support, it's it's about 8% drop. Okay, if we get up to 650, which I think is really as high as most people are saying, at least in the short term right now, that'd be a gain of 11.37%. Right now, I think that's probably the likelier variable. I'd say maybe 60% chance that we're going to go ahead and do that, maybe 40% chance that we see this pull back to the previous all-time high. But I mean, you know, right now, when when you have these types of valuations and this type of revenue, you know, we're not looking at numbers anymore. You're looking at the market, you're looking at the action, because the numbers obviously don't make sense, right? I mean, Tesla right now is valued, you know, at over $550 billion. They're worth more than the next 5 biggest car companies in the world combined. And, you know, if you look at the revenue, obviously that is nonsensical. So forget the numbers, play the chart, play the action, watch for this downtrend to break. But I think it's a little bit more likely that we are going to see 650 first. And that's Tesla, guys. That's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like button. If you have any questions or comments, comment below. I read all the comments, so if you have a question, I'll answer it. If you want to suggest a stock, I'll probably do a video on it. And if you want to see more videos like this one and other technical analysis, please subscribe. Thanks, guys, and have a great day.